At CircuitIQ, we believe in making every circuit count. The CircuitIQ process begins with a simple setup. Connect to the app, install our mappers, and let the technology handle the rest. No more guesswork, no more running around to trace circuits. Proper labeling isn't just about meeting code, it's about protecting what matters, creating efficiency, and saving you money. As we cycle through breakers, CircuitIQ's advanced system instantly identifies and maps every circuit, saving time and eliminating confusion. When we're done, your panel schedule is updated with a precise, easy-to-read ledger. From homes to large facilities, knowing your circuits have never been this easy. CircuitIQ. Faster, smarter, safer. Know your power and secure your space.